Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is actually part 2 because Mindful Souls has sent me 2 boxes. So I decided to do it in 2 different parts. And I already opened the box. I didn't see what's in there, but I did have to take the thumbnail photo, so I kind of arranged it really pretty. There's a lot of things in there. We're going to get into it. It's really hot over here, so my camera overheated really quickly, so I had to take a break between filming part 1 and part 2. That's why I did 2 videos. Whew. It's hot. But okay, so Mindful Souls, it's $39.97 a month, and they give you from $80 to $100 worth of items and free shipping in the US, and you can cancel anytime, and every crystal in there is lab certified. So I really like this box. Make sure you check part 1 out because there's some really beautiful goodies in there, and we're gonna get into part 2, the second box. So they always give you a card, right? And then inside the card, they give you a description of everything that's in there. So we're not going to get into that just yet. They also give you a affirmation card. Now, these are really, really nice because you can actually make an entire oracle deck out of it if you collect enough boxes, or you can plaster this on your mirror or on your fridge or in your journal. Somewhere where you can see it every day. It's a good positive affirmation, and this one is affirmation for manifesting abundance. Abundance and opportunities come to me in unexpected ways. This is very powerful. This is something I would put in my bathroom mirror. So every morning I look at it while I'm brushing my teeth and plant this thought into my subconscious, or when I'm going to sleep, washing my face or brushing my teeth before I go to sleep. I plant this seed into my subconscious mind. It's very powerful, and it doesn't take any effort at all. Sometimes you will see something every single day and you don't have to read it, but you know the meaning and significance of it. This obviously is a manifestation of abundance card. So you see it every day, you know what it is. Your subconscious already knows what it is, and you just keep looking at it, keep looking at it. It's very powerful. It's a form of like visualization magic. So I really like their affirmation cards. Now, let's get into everything that's in the box. I'm going to open the card and set it up right in front of me so I can see what everything is. Okay. The first thing is we're going to get into this black baggie. So, like I said in my first video, I always use these bags. I reuse them for laundry, for mojo bags, for re-gifting things to people. These bags are really nice. And the first thing I see here is this. That is really, really beautiful. It is a clear quartz crystal necklace. This is a chunky one. It's a chunky monkey. And it has amethyst and aventurine on it. And this is believed to connect you to the energy of earth. So if you're in your head too much, if you have anxiety, nervousness, tension, depression, like chaotic thoughts, you can't focus, this would be something that you would want to keep near you or wear. And the tree of life is a symbol of growth, strength, and alignment. Clear quartz amplifies whatever it touches, whatever it's near. This is something that you will have to cleanse a lot because clear quartz absorbs a lot of energy, so you're gonna have to cleanse it. But it's a beautiful piece, and I feel like it could go with any outfit. Like this would go with just what I'm wearing right now, which is a Walmart $3 tank top. But this would be beautiful with anything. You could put this over a black dress. I think it would be really pretty. So that's really nice. Now, the next thing that we have here is in a white baggie, and in here we have a stone. Oh, this is really pretty. Reminds me of a coral. I forgot the name. It's a red Argonite. And this is for drive and creativity. Also connects you to the element of earth for a root chakra. And carries a perfect energy for success, boosting focus, creativity, confidence. This would be a really good crystal to keep like around your workplace where you work, and your business documents. I hope you guys, ooh, look at that shine, you guys. It reminds me of a coral, and I love everything about the ocean. The seashell, obviously, I don't know if you guys can see my seashells right there. Those are my Lakshmi and Vishnu seashells that I am keeping down here for a little while. But this reminds me, I'm going to actually keep this with them. Yeah, I'm going to cleanse it first. Always cleanse your crystals first. So I'm going to keep that to the side. And then after I cleanse it, I'm going to keep it with my Lakshmi and Vishnu crystals and on their altar. So the next thing we see here is a green baggie. Now the first video I was talking about the green baggies you can use for like money work, money mojo bags, money powder. You can get money powder on my shop. You can put it in here and keep it with you when you go gambling to the casino. And this is a citrine bracelet. This is instantly, I thought, an anklet. I would wear this on my ankle. I think I will wear it. I don't know if you guys can see because my hand is the same color, but I would wear this on my ankle. And citrine is something that is for abundance, wealth, luck, and this is also something if you are a gambler, if you like to go to the casino, this is good to wear to the casino. What it says, wealth and opportunities, yes, and this connects you with the element of fire. I hope you guys can see. Look how pretty. It's often called the merchant stone. Citrine is closely associated with abundance, wealth, success. And yeah, even if you have your own business, like wear this to your meetings, wear this to your interviews. It's a stone of luck, and it's adjustable. So, you know, you could wear it on your feet too, which is what I'm going to do. But you could also stack it. Like if I stacked it with my other crystal bracelets, it would look really cute, really pretty. I love this. There's a lot of things you could do it with it. Like, if you have an office, you can hang this on the doorknob of your office, and it will bring in luck, prosperity, customers, business. Let's see what else we have in the bag. I mean, in the box. Oh, they also do always give you a sticker. So this time they gave me this. Now this is very interesting because I love things from the ocean, like I was saying. My spirit guides are specifically from the ocean. And so this, I'm definitely going to do something special with it. I might put this on my phone, or I might put this like on my bedside table or on my altar, just to always, like I said, the subconscious planting seeds in your mind. I will always remember my spirits. Not that I already don't, but this would be a really fun reminder, like, oh, they're there. They're protecting and they're helping. And this is really pretty. This would be actually a really cute tattoo, you guys. Wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be a really pretty tattoo? I have a tattoo on my foot of a killer whale. That was my first tattoo I ever got. And there is a meaning behind that tattoo. Let me know if you guys want like a video explaining that. But yeah, it kind of reminded me of that. So there's a lot in here, you guys. I have 3 more things to unbox. The next thing, oh, it's a turtle. This is interesting too, because okay, if you guys have ever read the book The Secret, and before I get into that, it's hot over here. My makeup has like halfway melted off. My eyebrows have melted off. Just excuse that, and I really don't care. But the second part being, if you read the book The Secret, in one of the beginning chapters, it tells you to make a pact with the universe about a specific sign. So you're going to be like, okay, universe, every time you show me this sign, I'll know I'm on the right path. Or every time you show me this sign, I know something good is going to happen to me, or I'll be okay. Whatever, however you make that pact with the universe, and whatever that sign is for you. For me, it's the turtle. I made a pact with the universe that whenever I see the turtle, and the rest is a secret for me, but it's a turtle. And this is a snowflake obsidian turtle. So also it helps to connect you with the energy of earth, root chakra, and it breaks down limiting beliefs, and it creates room for bigger and bolder dreams. So what I would do with this is I'm going to put this on my altar, on my ocean altar. I have a ocean altar, and I also have a fish tank, which if you guys are on Patreon, I'm going to do a fish tank tour because I got some new fishes. I got some babies My fishes had babies. I have frogs. I have loaches. I have algae eaters. I think that's it. But yeah, I'm gonna do a whole tour of my fish tank, and I'm gonna keep this probably near the tank, and they're gonna love it. But I also want to know if I could put this inside my tank, because certain crystals you could, and this is made out of crystal. So certain crystals you could put in the tank. I'm not sure if I'm gonna research if I could or not. But this is nice. This is cute, and this is the universe telling me we're gonna be okay. And I think that message goes out to you guys too. We're going to be okay. That is really cute. And then we also have this big bag right here. And in this big bag, oh, in the last box, if you saw part 1, they gave Palo Santo, but this one is kind of special because we have it engraved. You see that? All the moon phases. So Palo Santo is something that's very good to burn. Watch my part 1 because I share with you guys a remedy to do with Palo Santo, and I'm going to actually make a video about a few ways to use Palo Santo. There's a few ways and spells and rituals you could do using Palo Santo, and this is really nice. It's pretty, and it smells really good, and it's engraved very nicely. Like they did a good job engraving that. I almost don't even want to burn it, but I will. And I'm probably gonna burn this on like a new moon or a full moon. So that's cute. And then we have this. It's a box. So let me see what's in here. By the way, everything is packaged really, really well. Oh. Oh my. Look at this, you guys. It's the Mindful Souls logo that's in every bag, right? You see? This is cute. Like for trinkets, or you could burn sage on it. You can keep your face soap on it. You could keep your like body wash shampoo on it, so it's infused with that energy of the removing evil eye. There's so many things like you could do with this, and it is pretty. Look at that. It's a jewelry plate, and it says, it serves as a reminder that you deserve a life of success, abundance, and exciting opportunities. There's so many things you could do with this. You could, I use plates like this that I get from the thrift store. I get these from the thrift store for like 25 cents. And what I do is use them as offering plates for my spirit guides. So when I give an offering to my ancestors or my spirit guides, I use a plate like this to give them their food or their offerings. And then you just wash it. And I don't think this is dishwasher safe. It might just ruin the print, but you can just hand wash it after you give your offering. So that is basically everything in the box. We went through that box pretty quickly, and I'm very excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Mindful Souls, you guys. Like, there's a lot of really good items, and before you use any crystal or any crystal jewelry, or before you use anything spiritually, you want to cleanse and sage it or wash it before you do with salt water, or even use an incense to just cleanse the energy off. Okay, and that's it. I'm excited to get into all of these, and let me know which item in here was your favorite. My favorite has to be this plate. I love it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.